Breaking news coming in from Bihar. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has sparked a row after he pulled down a woman's hijab while handing over appointment letters to the Ayush doctors at an event. The video has gone viral on social media, with opposition as well as social media users fuming over the act. The video shows Nitish Kumar gesturing towards the woman's headscarf after handing her an appointment letter. He asked her about it and instructed her to remove it before proceeding to pull it down himself. All right, let's listen in.
शर्म आ रही देख के वो दृश्य कि एक महिला जिसको वो नौकरी का प्रमाण पत्र दे रहे हैं, मुस्लिम महिला, उसके चेहरे से बलपूर्वक हिजाब हटा रहा है, उसको स्पर्श कर रहा है। सभी लोग शर्म से सर झुक जा रहा है सबका। किसी हिंदू घूंघट से या बहुत से प्रदेशों में, क्षेत्रों में वो पर्दा करती हिंदू महिलाएं, मुस्लिम महिलाएं हिजाब, बुर्का लगा के किसी मुख्यमंत्री को जिसकी मानसिक स्थिति खराब नहीं हो गई है, यहां से कहीं ठिकाने नहीं लग गया है, तो ऐसी हरकत नहीं कर सकता। और ऐसी सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी और जेडीयू मिलकर चला रहे हैं, इसकी मैं कठोरतम शब्दों में निंदा करते हुए और बिहार की धरती के लिए कलंक बताता हूं।
All right, our colleague Prakash is now joining us for more on that story. Prakash, so this is something that has absolutely gone viral, and that this video, of course, has given enough, ammunition to the opposition to target Bihar Chief Minister. What more updates can you give us?
Well, yes, it has. This particular video has brought the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who is known for his sensitivity and who is known for his secular credentials, in poor light, definitely. And this program, which was being held in the Chief Minister's office of Samvad, where the employment letter of the Ayush doctors were being handed over, and this lady whose hijab was pulled off by Nitish Kumar apparently. And this kind of behavior has been quite often by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar because of his health, which has been under question, and the opposition leaders have also been questioning his deteriorating health. And it's a matter of time that the India leaders should decide on this, because it's a huge embarrassment. And Nitish Kumar, who was known for his sobriety, who is known for his honesty, integrity, good demeanor, as well as good conduct in public life, and all of a sudden these kind of incidences are taking place, and that too an embarrassment of this sort to an extent that it has hurt the sentiments of a particular community, and who has been very careful as far as the minority communities are concerned, despite the fact that the minorities haven't yet voted for Nitish Kumar for a longer period of time. But even then, he's been visiting the mazars or the masjids or different religious places of different communities and religions. So this is a moment to ponder for the NDA allies. And yes, this definitely has brought Nitish Kumar in poor light, who's been known for his good conduct all throughout his political career. And the opposition has slammed Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. And if the BJP, if any of the BJP leaders had done this, it would not have come as a surprise. But with Nitish Kumar doing this, it is quite surprising. It means that is not in full control of what he is doing. Back to you.
Absolutely, and this is, not really the first time. While Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is known for his sensitivity and those things that you're mentioning about, but at the same time, ahead of the elections in Bihar also, there was one incident where in a public meeting he garlanded a woman at a public forum, and that also drew a lot of controversy. And despite this, despite being criticized, then he goes on and again a video of him goes viral.
Well, that's what I've been saying, that he's not in full control. And during the course of the election, I had asked this question to several NDA leaders in my interviews. And yes, it's a cause of concern. And all what he has done for Bihar, and look at the mandate that Nitish Kumar got in his name, because all he has done for the upliftment of the economically backward caste or the downtrodden. Now, with his health not in good shape, and these kind of incidents is taking place, it is bringing Nitish Kumar in.
All right. Thank you so much for getting us all those.
Yeah. A towering personality, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. So that is a moment of concern, because in the political landscape of India, Nitish Kumar is one of the most honest politicians in the political arena. But with this kind of incidences taking place time and again, it is bringing the NDA as well as Nitish Kumar's personality in poor light.